There's one thing that still shocks me when visiting so many recruitment websites. It's something which is potentially harmful to both the visitors and the website owners. And the thing is, it's so easy to fix. In this video, I'm going to talk you through what SSL and HTTPS are, why it is essential for your recruitment website and why you should be using them, and I'll give you the steps you need to take to get them in place if you're not using them. So what is HTTPS? To put simply, it's a method of communication between the web server, that's the computer that serves your website, and the visitor, that's the browser that they're using to actually view the website. So specifically, it's a method of transfer where the data is encrypted or scrambled between the two, meaning that anyone in the middle trying to read it gets a load of gobbledygook. Have you ever visited a website and seen this message in the address bar? Or perhaps you've browsed a web page and got this privacy error. Maybe you get one of these on your own website. Now later in the video I'm going to show you why these messages appear and how to fix them. First, let's look at why you need SSL or HTTPS installed and running on your website. When a user submits information to your website that is personal or private, only them and the website should be able to read that information. Think logging into an online banking. Think about purchasing something with credit card details on an online store. Or think about adding your CV to a recruitment agency website to apply for a job. These are typical examples of data that you want to be encrypted or scrambled when it is moved between the browser and the website. So for recruitment sites, HTTPS is essential as we're often asking candidates to submit personal information, in particular CVs when they're applying for jobs. So, how do we make our website use HTTPS or SSL? Sites that display error messages or privacy warnings or not secure messages in the address bar, these are sites that either have installed SSL incorrectly or they are choosing not to serve their pages over HTTPS, the secured version of the Internet Protocol. Now historically, SSL or HTTPS used to cost money. You needed to buy a certificate which proves that the website delivering the web page is in fact the correct one. It's a matter of verifying the identity of the server from which the website is served from. However, in 2020, SSL certificates, which mean your website can run over HTTPS, are free. There are many providers providing them for no cost whatsoever. In fact, if you are with a good, reputable host, it is highly likely that you already have an SSL certificate running on your website. And if you want to know a bit more about hosting, if you can click the link up above, that will tell you something more about it. All you need to do is ask your host, they'll install your SSL certificate for free, and then you'll need to change the URL of your website from HTTP to HTTPS. It's also a good idea to put some redirects in place, so if a user types in the address without HTTPS, they automatically get redirected and the page is served over HTTPS, the secure, scrambled version of the page. If you need some help with this, then do get in touch with HighRise Digital using the contact form of our website and we'll do our best to get some help for you. If you enjoyed this video, you can click the like button. If you'd like to hear more about this, then you can subscribe to this channel just down below, where you can get weekly recruitment website tips. And if you want to comment on anything in this video, please use the comments below asking any questions. That's all for this week, and we'll see you again soon.